Hello kids, it's Rex. Today I'm drawing the art, the sun, the moon and the stars. First, I'm drawing the art. Let's draw and paint together. I'm drawing the moon. Here is the sun. Finally, I'm drawing the stars. Let's paint. Light blue. It's going to be a beautiful space scene. Green. Orange. Yellow. Orange. Red. Blue, brown, pink, purple, yellow. It's beautiful space scenes. See you on next video.